from the Atlantic. We've got the winds in the west, so it's never going to be terribly warm. There will be spells of rain, showery bursts of rain coming across, but plenty of dry weather in between these systems. And it could well be that as we see the week go by, the more extensive rain runs up through the English Channel. There's still some enhanced showery activity up in the northwest of Britain at the same time. So Royal Birkdale lies in between. I think from Thursday to Sunday at the moment things are looking a little bit showery. Plenty of dry weather, of course. Winds in the west, as I say. Quite blustery winds, but temperatures never too far away from about 18 degrees. If there is any compensation, well, at least the pollen counts for the central and northern part of Britain are not too high just at the moment. Now, we've seen some sunshine this morning. As you can see, though, on the satellite picture, it is beginning to fill in. The gaps are filling in quite considerably. I think a little bit of brightness still to come during the afternoon, but at least many places at the moment are dry. Now, having said that, we are seeing some showery bursts of rain developing now across Northern Ireland and through West Wales as well. I think these showers will gather during the day, so we're going to find some pulses of rain moving from west to east across the central and southern parts of Britain, as far north as about southwest Scotland. I think many of the showers will be light, but a few heavier ones certainly gathering out in the west as time goes by. Then there'll be a drier slot across Scotland down to northeast England. Again, up in the far northeast of Scotland, I think we will see cloud and wind and patchy rain continuing into tonight as well. Just 12 to 14 there, way up in the far north. Typically 17 to 19, about 20 though in Southampton and parts of southeast England. Well, tonight, no one guaranteed to stay dry. I think a fair amount of cloud across the country. Some pockets of rain still about, at least for the first part of the night, perhaps becoming confined to western and southern coast later on. But certainly some pockets of rain still to come through the night. And temperatures generally about 10 to 12, but a rather chilly 6 or 7 perhaps in the glens of Scotland tonight. And then tomorrow, I think a number of showers again across these more northern and eastern parts. Some brighter weather further south and some more pulses of rain moving up to the southwest late in the day. That's it from me for now.